Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video, we are going to learn our 11th lesson. So, what is our 11th lesson name? Yes, it is travel. Okay, let us start the lesson. Lesson number 11, travel. Children, after studying this lesson, you can classify the means of transport as fast moving and slow moving vehicles. And you can identify landways, waterways and airways. Okay. So children, how do you come to school every day? Yes, by vehicles, isn't it? It may be van, it may be auto, it may be what? Scooter or bike. Yes, no? By vehicle you will come to school. Okay, and how do you go when you want to go to other places? Even for to going other places also you will use vehicles. Usually we will go by vehicles. It may be bus, car, train, aeroplane, whatever, isn't it? So by vehicles we will go. So what are vehicles? The things that carry people and goods from one place to other are called vehicles. Okay, yes. So these vehicles, they carry people also and goods also from one place to another place, isn't it? Yes. So write the names of the vehicles you have seen. So what type of vehicles you have seen, children? So usually bus, auto, car, aeroplane, train, cycle, boat, bullock cart, isn't it? Yes, and even lorry also we have seen. These are some common vehicles. Okay. So in the next page, write the names of the vehicles in the boxes which are in the picture below. So these vehicles name we should write here. Okay. So this is bus, aeroplane, truck, bike, train, bullock cart, auto, horse cart, we can say jet car also, boat and bicycle. Okay. So in the next page, list of vehicles are given below. Some move slow and some move fast. Put right mark in the right column. So whenever you will go outside to other places, I think you would have observed children. So some vehicles are there, they will move slowly, and some vehicles they will move fast. Yes, no? So we have to divide that which the vehicles will move slow and moves fast. Okay. So cycle, it moves fast, no? Yes. And bullock cart, it moves very slowly. Bus, it moves fast. And train also moves fast. Aeroplane also it will move fast. Lorry, it moves fast. And horse cart also, it will little, it moves slow, like bullock cart, isn't it? Yes. And motorbike, it moves fast. And auto rickshaw moves fast. And boat also, it moves slowly, children, isn't it? So these are the vehicles which move slow and which moves fast, like cycle, fast. So like this we have divided the vehicles which moves fast and slow. So you can observe outside, children. When you will go outside, you can observe. So in the next picture, Rahim's hometown is Karwar. His grandfather's house is in Udupi. He will be now living to his grandfather's house. So from what Karwar to Udupi he is going. In which of the following vehicles should Rahim travel to reach his grandfather's home early? Put right mark against the vehicles. Just now we have divided what fast moving vehicle and a slow moving vehicle? Yes, no? Yes. So now one example is there. Rahim is going to his grandfather's house, but right now he is in Karwar. From Karwar to Udupi, he needs to go. Okay. So in which vehicle, if Rahim should go, he can go fast, or else he can go early. In which vehicle he will reach early, we have to put right mark, in bullock cart or by bus. So obviously children, by bus he will reach early to the grandfather's house, isn't it? Yes. Why? Because bus will move fast, but bullock cart will move very slowly. Okay. And in the next picture, which vehicle is better for Harini to travel into go to her grandmother's house from Shivamogga to Tumkur? So Shivamogga to Tumkur, what about 200 kilometer is there? Maybe, if I'm not wrong, maybe. So how she will go? Which vehicle is correct for her children? Is it by? Is she can go by auto? No. By train? Yes, she can go by train, children, because it's a little far. Far way is there from Shivamogga to Tumkur. So better she can go by train. Yes. So these are examples for what fast moving, slow moving vehicles. Yes. So in the next picture, Ramesh and John are neighbors in Kalburgi. They work in the same office. Every day, Ramesh goes by a cycle and John goes by a motorbike. Both of them leave their house at the same time. Which of them reaches the office earlier? Put right mark in the space provided. So the John and Ramesh, they will go to office every day. They but they are working in the same office every day. They will goes by one is go they will go by one bicycle and one will go by motorbike. Okay. So who will reach the office first? So who will, children? Yes, who is going by bike, they will reach, obviously, isn't it? Because bike will move fast, cycle it moves slow than bike. Compared to bike, so cycle move slow little, isn't it? Yes. So we can put right mark to the bike. Who will go by bike? No. So John, that is John reach the office or reach the office earlier. So next, write any four vehicles that move on land. So it means, children, land means on road. You can observe in the picture right side. So which are the vehicles that move on the land? We have to write for example. What are those? Bus, car, bike, auto. Isn't it? Yes. So in the next second, have you seen the vehicles that move on water, children? Yes, we should write the for example here. Have you traveled in them ever? Yes. So what are the examples? You can observe in the picture. On land means on road, and on water like ship, boat, yacht, steamer. These are the example for water vehicles. So these vehicles move on water. So okay, in the next, do you know about the vehicles that move in air, children? Yes, write the name of a vehicle. One example we need to give here. So that is aeroplane. So aeroplane, it is a, this is the vehicle which move in air. Yes. So in the next page, names of some vehicles are given below. Write there, they move in the following table. So here some vehicles are there. We have to divide them. Vehicles that move on land and on water and move in air. So lorry, it is land, boat, aeroplane, bus, cycle, car, bullock cart, and horse cart. These vehicles will move on land, means on road. And boat, ship, steamer, yacht, these vehicles will move on water, isn't it? Yes. And aeroplane and helicopter, these vehicles move in air. Yes, correct. So these are vehicles which moves on land, water, and air. These are some examples. And the system of vehicles that move on land is land transport. And the system of vehicles that move on water is water transport. The system of vehicles that move in air is air transport. So what is this transport, children? What is, we can say, means of transport? What is this transport? Yes. So transport is a system for taking people or goods from one place to another place. So these transport means these land vehicles, water vehicles, or air vehicles, they will take people or goods from one place to another place. This is called transport. So these are all means of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. We can say different ways of transportation or transporting people or goods. Okay. So next, so what we have learned, children? Types of transport. So what is land transport? The system of vehicles that move on land is land transport. So which you can see in the picture, for example, car, auto, bike, and jetka, horse cart, we can say. And next one is water transport. The system of vehicles that move on water is water transport. For example, boat, yacht, steamer. And the next one is air transport. The system of vehicles that moves on air is air transport. For example, aeroplane, helicopter, etc. Okay, so these are types of transport. Okay, so in the next page, so here some vehicles pictures are there. Join the dots and color and recognize the vehicles. First you should join the dots and color and write their names. Okay, that vehicle name. Okay, so in the next, vehicles and their uses are given in the following pictures. Draw a line to match these. So in the left side picture, vehicles are there. In the right side also some pictures are there. With the respective picture we have to match. So in the right side column, the first picture, some goods are there and many people pictures. Okay, so for cycle, which one you will match? A single person, because in the cycle only single person can go, isn't it? Yes, even only single person can sit. And for lorry, lorry can what, take goods. Yes, no, it will carry the goods, so we can match the lorry to goods. And bus, in the bus many people can sit and travel. Yes, no, yes, so we can match the bus to many people picture. And the boat, so the boat, the people are standing near the river, so they want to cross the river, so we have to use the boat to cross the water, so we can match the boat to that people standing near the water. Okay, so these are vehicles and their respective pictures matched. Okay, so next, some pictures of vehicles are given above. Mark with circle if the vehicles that carry people, mark with square if the vehicles carry luggage, mark with a triangle if vehicles carry both. So first picture I have marked with a square because lorry, it carries goods, isn't it? Yes. So I have marked with a square. So next bus I have marked with circle because bus carries people. So train I have marked with triangle because it carries both people and goods, isn't it? Yes. The next, join match boxes to make a train. Prepare an aeroplane with a paper and fly it at home. So you can try this, children. You can join the match boxes. Empty match boxes will be there. No, you can make train. Okay, yes. And prepare an aeroplane with a paper and fly it at home. So you can make a train by matchbox. Okay, yes. Just try it, children. And who am I? Some puzzle are there. I can fly, though not a bird. I do shine, but I am not a star. Though I have wheels, I am not a car. I am very fast, but not a cheetah. Who is this? Aeroplane. Correct. I cannot run on the road. I cannot fly in the air. I run at lightning speed and make a chukubuku sound. Who am? Train. Yes. And next one is, look one and all how I play and sail on water every day. No wings to trouble and no problems I have. Who am? Boat. Yes, correct. So children, I hope you understood this lesson. Travel. Okay, so if any doubts means you can send or you can ask me questions in the group. Okay, yes. Now homework, read the lesson, do the working pages and paste the pictures of land, air and water transport pictures. Means of transport. It means means of transport. And you can, you should make the what train by matchboxes and you can try aeroplane from paper. Okay, children? Yes. Do the homework and activity. Yes. And do your work. Thank you.